Welcome back to the channel. If you have a small or cluttered kitchen, every inch of space matters. Today, we're checking out smart space-saving kitchen finds that help maximize storage and keep things organized. These practical products can make everyday cooking easier while saving valuable space. Links to all the products are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Mustorn Pots and Pans Organizer is a smart investment for anyone looking to eliminate kitchen cabinet clutter without compromising the quality of their cookware. Its tool-free setup makes installation quick and easy, while the expandable base and adjustable stainless steel dividers let you customize the layout for everything from bulky pots to awkward lids. Unlike traditional racks that can scratch delicate cookware, its smooth ABS plastic base helps protect non-stick surfaces. The ventilated design also promotes airflow, keeping your cookware storage neat, organized, and easy to access. Number 2. The Upesitom Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is a smart way to make hard-to-reach cabinet space much more useful. Its pull-out design gives you easy access to items stored in the back, while helping keep spices, bottles, cleaning supplies, and kitchen essentials neatly organized. It's a great space-saving solution for busy kitchens, especially if you want to reduce clutter and make everything easier to find. Number 3. The Linfidite 4-pack kitchen plate holder is a simple way to keep your cabinets neat and organized. These holders create extra vertical storage space, making it easier to separate plates, bowls, and other dishes while keeping them within easy reach. They're especially useful for small kitchens where cabinet space is limited, helping you maximize storage without adding clutter. Number 4. The SYKIARIOL Rolling Storage Utility Cart is a versatile way to add extra storage wherever you need it. Its rolling design makes it easy to move around the kitchen, while the multiple shelves give you plenty of room for snacks, pantry items, cookware, or everyday essentials. It's perfect for small kitchens and tight spaces, helping you stay organized without taking up valuable floor space. Number 5. The Night Tree Bamboo Drawer Dividers are a simple way to bring order to messy kitchen drawers. Their adjustable design lets you create separate sections for utensils, cooking tools, and everyday essentials, so everything stays neatly in place and easy to find. They're a great space-saving solution for keeping your drawers organized while adding a clean, natural look to your kitchen. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 6. The Snuvid Glass Pitcher with Lid is a stylish and practical kitchen essential that makes serving drinks simple and convenient. It's perfect for water, iced tea, lemonade, and fruit-infused drinks, while the lid helps keep your beverages covered and fresh. The clear glass design looks great in the fridge or on the table, and its generous size makes it ideal for family meals, parties, or everyday use. It's an easy way to keep refreshing drinks ready to serve while adding a clean, modern touch to your kitchen. Number 7. The Cabibox Vacuum Sealer and Food Storage Container is a smart way to keep your food fresh and your kitchen more organized. The vacuum sealing design helps remove excess air and can help reduce food waste by keeping ingredients stored securely. It's great for leftovers, fruits, vegetables, meats, and meal prep, making it a practical choice for busy households that want to save food, space, and money. Number 8. The Sakugi Dish Drying Rack is a practical kitchen upgrade that helps keep your countertop clean and clutter-free. Its compact design gives you a convenient place to dry plates, bowls, cups, and utensils while making the most of your counter space. It's especially useful for smaller kitchens, helping keep your dishes organized, easy to reach, and ready for the next meal. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 9. The Kiasthome Bamboo Lid Organizers are a simple way to bring order to a cluttered kitchen cabinet. They help keep pot lids, pan lids, cutting boards, and other flat kitchen essentials neatly separated and easy to grab. The bamboo design adds a clean, natural look while helping you make better use of your cabinet space. It's a practical upgrade for keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Number 10. The MSHOMELY 60 Egg Holder for Fridge is a smart storage solution for keeping your eggs organized and easy to grab. With space for up to 60 eggs, it helps maximize your refrigerator space while keeping your eggs neatly arranged in one place. It's perfect for busy households, helping reduce fridge clutter and making it easier to see how many eggs you have at a glance. Number 11. The Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers are a great way to keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh. Their clear design makes it easy to see what's inside, while the stackable shape helps maximize valuable cabinet and refrigerator space. They're perfect for leftovers, meal prep, snacks, and pantry essentials, helping you keep everything neat, accessible, and easy to find. Number 12. The 7-code Large Dish Drying Rack is a great way to keep your dishes organized while making better use of your counter space. Its large design gives you plenty of room for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, making it perfect for busy kitchens and family meals. It helps keep everything neatly arranged while dishes dry so your countertop stays cleaner and more organized. Number 13. The Comellow Bamboo Cutting Board is a stylish and practical upgrade for everyday meal prep. Its spacious surface gives you plenty of room to chop fruits, vegetables, meat, and other ingredients, while the durable bamboo design adds a natural touch to your kitchen. It's a great choice for keeping your prep area organized and making cooking more comfortable and efficient. Number 14. The BLAZPATH 5-in-1 Grill Prep Trays are a smart way to make grilling and meal prep more organized. They give you dedicated space to prepare, carry, and serve different foods, helping keep raw ingredients, cooked food, and toppings neatly separated. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or preparing a family dinner, these trays can make your cooking setup cleaner, easier, and more convenient. Number 15. The Jesginboo Paper Towel Holder is a simple kitchen upgrade that helps keep your countertop neat and organized. Its compact design keeps paper towels easy to grab while taking up minimal space. It's perfect for everyday use and a great choice for keeping your kitchen clean, convenient, and clutter-free. Number 16. The Farberware Stainless Steel Knife Set is a practical kitchen essential for everyday meal prep. It gives you the right tools for slicing, chopping, and preparing a variety of ingredients, helping make cooking faster and more convenient. The stainless steel design adds durability, while the set keeps your kitchen prep more organized and ready for whatever you're cooking. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 17. The ComSaf food storage containers are a great way to keep your kitchen organized and your food neatly stored. Their stackable design helps save valuable cabinet and pantry space, while the clear containers make it easy to see what's inside. They're perfect for leftovers, snacks, dry ingredients, and meal prep, helping keep everything fresh, tidy, and easy to find. Number 18. The mixeshop Undersink Organizer is a smart way to turn wasted cabinet space into useful storage. Its tiered design helps you neatly organize cleaning supplies, sponges, bottles, and everyday kitchen essentials while keeping everything easy to reach. It's especially useful for small kitchens, helping reduce clutter and make the most of every inch of storage space. Number 19. The Nikuy Bamboo Wrap Organizer is a smart way to keep your kitchen wraps neatly stored and easy to access. It helps organize plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and other rolls in one convenient place, freeing up valuable drawer and cabinet space. Its bamboo design adds a clean, natural look while helping keep your kitchen more organized and clutter-free. Number 20. The Fiery Chef Bamboo Cutting Board Set is a great way to make everyday meal prep easier and more organized. The spacious boards give you plenty of room for chopping, slicing, and preparing different ingredients, while the bamboo design adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. It's a practical set for busy home cooks who want a clean and convenient prep area. That's it for today. If you enjoyed these kitchen organization finds, give this video a like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds and useful kitchen products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.